Hello, I'm gonna show you how it works, this model, this Dacia Dokker. In the front is a normal car, okay? You have phone holder, you have USB chargers, okay? Air condition. This particular model has 6 speeds. To put the reverse, you have to pull this up, okay? And then right there, okay? In the back, this is what it looks like. In here you have the lining for the mattress and 2 pillows. On this one you found the blankets, small blankets and a big blanket. You have USB chargers, one in here and another one in there. You have a place to put your phone, another one in there. You have a light for the night. You have the vent, you can open or close it. You have the lights of the roof that you can disconnect in here, and the other one. The tanks of the water are in there. You have 2 tanks, 10 liters, so just lift this, and when the first one finish, you have to take this out. This is the garden stuff, okay? So just take that. Don't worry if the water goes there, and then you connect the other one. With one hand it's difficult. Okay, there it is. Now it's connect the other tank, okay? To change them, so you just take this, and then you can take it out for refill. Okay? Don't worry if the water comes in here. To make the bed, so you just pull this till then, there, and then you put this one front, that side in there, like this, and this one also for the front, you put it in here, and so then you have a bed of 185 by 140. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, now in the back is where you have your kitchen stuff. Okay, in here you have the fridge, okay, 20 liters fridge. To turn it on, long pressing there, there it is, and then you can set for the temperature you want. Normal food, I'll leave it between 7 and 10 degrees. Cold beers, 2 degrees. Less than that, they will be frozen. Okay, this is the fridge. The water, it's in here. This is the electrical pump. Turn it on there. You have to wait until you have pressure, so then you have the pressure out. Okay, there you are. After use, first disconnect, and then you have to take the pressure out of the pipe because it's too hard. Okay, so just press and the pipe will be more flexible. The stove and the kitchen things are in here. Just open in here, lock it there, so the table won't go like this. The stove is in here, just open, turn this there, lock it, and that's it. Okay, so to light the stove, you just put it like this until the end, and at the end you make a click. That's where the fire's up. Okay, in here you have the cups, knives, forks, bottle opener, the essential things. Okay. And on this one you have the lights, coffee maker, a pen, towel, pot, essential things. So this is our kitchen. Okay. This is what it looks like. Fire extinguisher, hope you don't need it. Solar settings, please don't change them. The doors, if you want, you can open it all like this. So you can open 360 degrees. Okay. Extra tire, it's under the van, there. To take it out, you must take this little rubbish out, and we have to unscrew that with the tools there is under the driver's seat. Diesel. In here, just with the key open, put it there and refill it. And so this is our Dacia Dokker Standard Model. Okay. The van also has a solar panel, so you don't have to worry with power all the time. Okay. There it is. Have fun. See you later. Bye.